you could draw it. You could draw it. Draw it.
If I draw a drawing out and change it up a little bit, feel free to browse and if you have any questions, let me know. Mostly, otherwise, I'm going to have price these things out. The price things staying out there? Are you all the way seeing Star Wars or on the way out? Oh, okay.
You have sound with that?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay, well, we can chat while I do this.
All right.
If you want to ask any questions or anything. As we were saying when we were discussing this, the idea is sort of like the old movie posters, Grand Days of Hollywood, the portraits of the stars kind of thing. Grell and Black Canary together, as they should be.
As they should be. Old Hollywood style. Those characters have a nice classic Hollywood sort of feel to them, too. The relationship and the background.
As you can tell by all the scribbling that goes on down below, I very much adhere to that theory of you start out with a block of marble of sufficient size and then chip away everything that doesn't look like Moses. Some days the brain really talks to the hand, and I can draw directly without a lot of scribble scratches, but most days there's a lot of fumbling around that goes on before I settle in what I'm going to finally do. The left brain controls the right hand.
Right.
But the right brain is where all the artistic creativity exists in your brain. So in order for me to draw, my right brain has to talk to my left brain that then talks to my right hand, and it's a little like lost in translation, the old gossip thing where you start on one side of the room and you whisper something into somebody's ear,
right,
and by the time it reaches the other side of the room, it's changed completely. Well, this is me drawing, more or less drawing what I know, but it's not necessarily what the inspiration is, because occasionally it does get a little bit lost in translation. Somebody asked me if I could draw with my left hand and my right, or as well as my right, and I said, well, I can draw with my left, but it looks like crap.
Right.
And then I decided to try it, and I don't have the fine motor skills with the left hand that I do with the right, but I can draw it as long as I make it big with big gestures and swooping lines and stuff like that. The interesting thing, though, is that the faces come out looking different. The faces look very classical, almost as if that's the way my brain is trying to tell my right hand to draw it, but it gets scrambled around in translation and comes out looking more like comic books than anything else.
Interesting.
I fall back to drawing what I've practiced drawing as opposed to what maybe my natural inspiration and inclination is. I'll show you that later on.
That'll be fun.